C'est parti, on reprend là où on en était.
Chin up, Moneypenny. We're not leaving without answers. Play it cool, always.
Evening.
Ah, c'est la cinématique qu'on a vue hier.
I assume.
Burning the midnight oil. You work at the Perch?
I work with all departments. Roger Finch, Chief Legal Officer. And you are?
Network engineers. We've been called in to help out with the Code White.
Huh? I handle all Perch employment contracts personally. I don't recall seeing you before.
Story of my life.
I see. You must work closely with Danvers. How's he doing? I haven't seen him all week.
And never better.
Really? He does seem to be taking well to the treatments, but never better.
Well, I'm a glass half full kind of guy.
Will you deal with this clod, or should I?
I got this.
Say, I didn't catch your name.
It's Smith.
Right. And your company ID number?
I'm between ID numbers, tech issues. IT is sorting me out.
Let me get this straight.
Are you quite all right?
I don't feel so good, actually.
Oh my, something you ate?
Oh dear God. Excuse me.
Et c'est là où nous nous étions arrêtés hier soir. Suivons Greenway.
Seems we've run out of elevator.
Well, bridge to the Perch is only 3 floors up. I say we get a move on before Roger recovers and you dig yourself in even deeper.
I had it under control.
Evidently.
Installation artistique.
Over the top.
Une longueur d'avance, une œuvre d'art célébrant les avancées technologiques de Web Industries et son impact sur l'histoire, commandée à l'occasion du 125e anniversaire de l'entreprise. Ah oui, quand même.
We'll need a way to reach those stairs.
I'll see what we can do.
Smart ass. I'll check the corridor. You care to join me? Locked tight. And we don't have executive clearance.
Guess it's lateral thinking from here on out.
Looks like we're not alone.
Is that?
Glorified vacuum cleaner. Yes.
Hey. Might hear you.
We should split up. I'll check the perimeter. Let me know if you find something.
Will do.
Un aspirateur qui nous entend. Attends, un aspirateur qui fait la sécurité aussi.
All this defying orders and making the first move. A lot of locked doors around here. Must be some way to hack them.
Qu'est-ce qu'on a?
So,
Notice du robot de nettoyage.
All this defying orders and making the first move. What happened to the Greenway we all know and tolerate?
here's what's happening now, Bond. Webb knows his son overplayed his hand. Now he's doing all in his considerable power to shut us down, which includes calling in a favor from his friend, the Foreign Secretary. Stephen Bright will force M's hand to axe us or he'll pull her funding. Between the two of us and the future of the 00 program, she will have no choice. So come morning, we will be discredited and disavowed. So unless you want to consult Bavmar about career opportunities, I suggest we find ourselves a smoking gun.
So in other words, you woke up and smelled the roses. That's all you needed to say.
Ok. Pardon. Alors du coup, les robots de nettoyage ont accès à toutes les salles de cet étage et peuvent être redirigés quelque part à l'aide des panneaux de commande situés sur les étages. Les portes s'ouvrent automatiquement quand les capteurs électroniques détectent un robot en approche. Pas besoin de l'aide d'un humain. On va peut-être pouvoir pirater un robot. Et étant donné que c'est le seul qu'on a là-bas, est-ce que je peux faire quelque chose depuis là?
Bond, this looks like a way up.
Good eye.
Let's get this over with.
Du coup, on l'aide pas?
No way I can climb that. You'll need to clear a path.
Will do. Can I fix you a nice chill G&T while I'm at it?
That would be against regulations.
Right, of course. Drinking tonic in the line of duty. What was I thinking?
Il n'y a personne hein, pour le moment. Là encore, ça me demande une carte d'accès, mais que je n'ai pas.
Bond, I just bet you could use the ledge to reach the balcony over there.
Only one way to...
Personne. Hein.
Good bones. Do you always land on your feet?
Only when there's an audience.
Ah, mais faut que je désactive des capteurs.
What's the hold up? Did you stop for a coffee?
Why, you want one?
Not now you ask. Black, 2 sugars, please.
You know your age group shouldn't drink coffee after 3 p.m.
My age group shouldn't break into a high security building in the middle of the night.
Can't argue with that.
Qu'est-ce que c'est ça? Revue d'architecture, un magazine sur l'architecture contemporaine avec un article sur le bâtiment de Web Industries et ses succursales à travers le monde. Ça me dit pas... Attends, j'ai raté un truc ou... Les astuces. Capteur de porte. Avec une bonne ligne de vue, la Q-Watch peut pirater les détecteurs de mouvement de la porte. Ah là. Hello. Hello, Chillaxfy. Comment je passe, moi, là-dessus? Ah, allez. Allez, ciao, bye bye. Hop là. Donc je vois bien qu'il faut que je fasse un truc là. Est-ce que c'est là en dessous? Attends, ils avaient dit quoi? Avec une bonne ligne de vue, la Q-Watch peut pirater les détecteurs. Ouais. Les écrans tactiles peuvent appeler un robot. Est-ce que c'est parce que j'ai pas les bons outils? Pourtant, j'ai le bracelet laser. Je sais pas trop où je dois me mettre pour que ça capte. Est-ce qu'il faut que je sois hyper loin, peut-être? Heureusement qu'on n'a pas de temps, hein. Non, c'est pas ça. Qu'est-ce que j'ai raté sur les capteurs? Je peux pas faire mieux en ligne de vue, là. Hein? Ah là, je peux pirater celui-là. Ah, alors peut-être je peux le pirater depuis là-bas. C'est depuis l'intérieur qu'on peut pirater. Ah, voilà. Alors, qu'est-ce qu'on a? Miaou? Ah, et là, du coup, je peux... Je peux appeler un robot.
There. Not bad for a glorified vacuum cleaner.
Still not getting one.
You say that now.
Still waiting for my coffee, by the way.
I know. Service is terrible.
qu'il y a, Maui? Qu'est-ce qu'il y a, mon chat?
Coast looks clear. This way. Look a bit worse for wear. Arm's
On va me
giving you trouble.
regarder ce qu'il y a là-dedans.
Pain is in the mind, Bond.
So, yes.
I'll be
On
fine.
est pile.
Locked. Fancy that.
I'm starting to think we're not welcome.
Let's poke about.
Oh, bah, il y a quelqu'un en
I'll
plus.
check the toilets.
And look for some meds while you're at it. I need you focused.
Don't push it. Oh. And beware the sleeping guard next door.
What's Webb's endgame?
I take it you have a theory.
MI6 was willing to ignore the risks because Webb got results. But with Thea, what's to stop them from rigging the next election or worse?
It's very fanciful, Bond. But in my experience, the motive is always simple. And almost always sordid.
On peut regarder l'email du directeur. À tout le personnel, un petit mot amical, enfin plus ou moins, pour vous rappeler de ne pas discuter de projets top secrets dans le métro, le taxi, au pub, dans les lieux publics ou semi-publics non sécurisés. La moindre petite fuite pourrait nuire financièrement à l'entreprise, nos partenaires ou actionnaires. Évitons que l'incident d'Édimbourg ne se répète. Au moindre doute, ne dites rien. Merci. Charles Danville. On va récupérer... Qu'est-ce que j'ai vu par là? Non. Oh, il m'a fait peur. Ah, la porte est là. Toutes ces portes en verre, on sait plus par où passer, hein.
Come to think of it, I noticed the missing wall panel in the privy. It's not how I would do it, but it has your name written all over it.
Thanks for that.
Du plâtre dans les toilettes. Siobhan, sois sympa et emmène Cheeseman boire une pinte. Je l'ai trouvé en train de chialer dans un placard parce que Finch l'avait engueulé pour avoir commandé le mauvais plat. PS, c'est un crétin, mais il est des nôtres. C'est pas très gentil. Là, on peut pas passer. Les toilettes, c'est là-bas. Et j'y suis pas allée. Ah, on se voit trop bien dans le miroir. Ok. Et du coup, là, il y a du plâtre.
Oi. Anyone there?
Careful. You've roused Sleeping Beauty in there.
Not to worry. I'll tuck him back in.
Bloody hell happened here? Oi, who did this? Show yourself.
Hey, you.
What is this?
J'ai raté. J'ai raté le neutralisé là. Hein.
Show me what you got.
J'ai carrément raté le neutralisé. Bon, à part
What's Webb's
fouiller
endgame?
partout.
I take it you have a theory.
MI6 was willing to ignore the risks because Webb got results. But with Thea, what's to stop him from rigging the next election or worse?
It's very fanciful, Bond. But in my experience, the motive is always simple. And almost always sordid. This will do nicely.
Oi! Anyone there?
Careful. You've roused Sleeping Beauty in there.
Not to worry. I'll tuck him back in. Over here.
This has to be a joke.
Less settled in.
Faut esquiver le bon. J'ai fait la mauvaise esquive.
What's Webb's endgame?
I take it you have a theory.
MI6 was willing to ignore the risks because Webb got results. But with Thea... Wait a minute. Bet I could punch through.
I'll be outside. Just clean this suit. This will do nicely.
Oi! Anyone there?
Careful. You've roused Sleeping Beauty in there.
Not to worry. I'll tuck him back in.
Damn little thing. You're not so tough.
Bah oui. Bah oui. Hein? Comme par hasard. C'est pas mal la fléchette quand même.
What's Webb's endgame?
I take it you have a theory.
MI6 was willing to ignore the risks because Webb... Wait a minute. Bet I could punch through.
I'll be outside. Just clean this suit. This will do
Oi.
nicely.
Anyone there?
Careful. You've roused Sleeping Beauty in there.
Not to worry. I'll tuck him back in.
Bloody hell happened here?
Oi! Who did this? Show yourself! Run away! What is that?
Ah!
You gotta do better.
Purée, je l'avais. J'ai appuyé sur A mais pas sur le X en même temps. Enfin, je croyais, mais du coup, ça a pas marché. Du coup, j'ai franchi la ligne et j'ai perdu mon... J'ai perdu mon créneau.
What's Webb's endgame?
I take it you have a theory.
Bon, allez, on recommence.
MI6 was... Wait a minute.
Bon, je skip un peu les dialogues hein,
could
parce qu'on le
punch
connaît par
through.
cœur maintenant.
I'll be outside. Just clean this suit.
Tac. Là, on se cache.
This will do nicely.
Anyone there?
Careful. You've roused Sleeping Beauty in there.
Not to worry. I'll tuck him back in.
Bloody hell happened here?
Oi! Who did this? Show yourself!
Bon, ça va plus vite hein, si on arrive à le
Rude
neutraliser comme
awakening.
ça.
Oh, so you were saying
MI6 was willing to ignore the risks because Webb got results. But with Thea, what's to stop him from rigging the next election or worse?
it's very fanciful, Bond. But in my experience, the motive is always simple and almost always sordid.
Une bouteille de vin.
What's it gonna be?
Archambault rouge, 1960. Il avait rien sur lui. Eh, salut Thor. Merci beaucoup pour le lurk. Ah, et du coup, là, on peut pirater.
So what's your take then on Sir Nicholas's dark secret?
My guess, it's about his son.
Mon stream à toi.
Can
Merci
you
beaucoup.
imagine what
À
it
toi
takes
aussi,
to
si
keep
tu lances.
Damien's criminal record clean? Hush money alone would feed a small nation. I bet 009 found out about something. Figured it will be his golden ticket back into MI6's good graces. So he had to die at all costs. See? Simple.
Very.
And what do you know? It's open.
Really?
Tu vas où? Tu vas où, moi, oui?
Figures. What's the plan?
Well, let's see.
Merci, c'est déjà lancé depuis 1 heure.
Okay, I have an idea.
Ah, bah bonne suite de stream alors.
First, come and join me for a minute.
Don't tell me the old pro needs a timeout.
Tactical pause.
Mais mon chat a coupé le son, non? Ah oui, mon chat a coupé le son. Hop. Ouais, la batterie, on peut la prendre, même si on n'en a pas tellement besoin. Après, depuis ici, j'avais déverrouillé, du coup, c'est lui. Ah, une carte. Ça, non.
It's strange, don't you think? Sir Nicholas seemed genuinely sorry about what happened tonight.
He liked you, Bond. But you got in his way. That's the world you're in now. Half this job is doing something you'd rather not. The sooner you learn that, the better.
We'd never have known about Webb if it wasn't for 009. You think if things had gone differently, you would have forgiven him?
He was a traitor.
That doesn't answer the question.
You don't get to wipe the slate clean. Fact is, Reese was a bad apple, and I should have seen it. Moscow rules. Assume nothing, trust no one.
Sounds like no way to live.
Splendid way to stay alive, though.
No Mrs. Greenway, I take it?
And why the sudden interest? Am I dying?
Well, the night is young.
Once. She was a special liaison with the Treasury. After nightfall, I
Okay.
was in a dark place, and she couldn't handle it. She took a job overseas. Long story not nearly short enough.
On the upside, you get a monogrammed fountain pen in case you fail to die young.
True. You must take the rough with the smooth.
So why did you come back to the program?
Because they asked. We're civil servants, Bond. We go where we're needed.
And I'm sure running out the clock behind a desk on the 8th floor, writing reports while slowly mummifying from boredom had nothing to do with it.
One doesn't exclude the other.
Well, good chat.
Back to it. According to the floor plan, that lounge next door connects to the other side. If you can find a way in, you'll be able to double back and unlock the doors.
Sounds simple enough.
Faut atteindre l'aile est. Ah là, c'est de là où on vient. On va aller regarder le plan. Parce que je l'ai pas regardé, moi, le plan. Hop. Bah voilà. Bien fait d'ouvrir la porte depuis le bas, du coup. Ça, c'est pas une porte qu'on peut ouvrir.
Hello? What are you doing? You look a little out
Right.
of place. Anything I can do?
Take it easy. I don't want any trouble.
End of the line.
Ok. Moi, je suis full, donc...
I swear, this wasn't here last week. Shit, I did not need this. I just put down a deposit for a new place.
Il y a du monde
Relax,
ici.
you won't get sacked. The company's insured up to their eyeballs. Besides, we'll blame the cleaning staff. You just dump the shards and keep them.
Thanks, Gov.
Hey, you're one of us.
Over here.
Wonder what that is. What is that? Oh, it's getting on my nerves. That's odd.
Mhm.
Why would... I'll have a quick look. Huh?
All right there.
That's enough. I'll batter you.
Ok. J'ai eu chaud parce que lui, il m'a pas vu. Là, ils ont rien calé. On est bon. Après, ici, ils sont deux. Je peux pas la tirer en étant caché.
Look out.
Copie-toi, copie-toi.
This isn't good.
On est vraiment à tirer 4 là.
What's up with you? I'm gonna snap your neck.
Two sugars, right?
Let me at it. Not so easy.
Situation sous contrôle. Celui qui était là, il est venu aussi. Ok. Saboter l'ordinateur portable, c'était pour tout à l'heure. Pas un truc que je peux ramasser là? Il y a un pistolet que je peux pas prendre. On dirait. Alors, il faut que j'aille là.
Sorry for the wait. I had company.
I see. And not a hair out of place. Impressive.
A compliment? How out of character.
Love what you've done with the place. I believe it's what they call an extreme makeover.
And he's back.
Well, looks like we're stuck.
Don't be too sure.
Ah, le
This
robot.
fella's starting to grow on me.
Motion detected. Lockdown systems engaged.
Knew it couldn't be that easy.
Hang on. We need visibility.
Yeah, not happening. We need another way around.
Well, perhaps some of these offices are connected.
On it.
Contourner les capteurs. Ah, ok.
You never actually planned to pack it in tonight, did you?
I had to tread carefully. There's only a handful of operators in the world with the chops and resources to infiltrate MI6, Bond. Simplest answer, it's someone already inside.
You suspected Webb.
The idea did cross my mind.
How does he know our every move in advance?
Occam's razor. It'll be a simple mole. Human weakness, Bond. Never underestimated.
Got any suspects?
I suspect everyone. Well, anyone who hasn't been shot at yet.
Le management a émis un code blanc. Je tâcherai de tout terminer pour ton arrivée demain matin. Si ce n'est pas le cas, bip-moi très vite. On peut déplacer le meuble.
Greenway, give me a hand with this.
Coming.
Hey, doesn't this all feel a little too easy?
Compared to what? How many evil masterminds have you come up against?
2. Including you.
Trust me, when the enemy stops underestimating you, that's when you start to worry.
More pearls of wisdom. Let me get a pen.
Alors, là on peut sortir et on peut sortir ici. On va déjà regarder dans ce bureau ce qu'on a. Un badge.
Isla Vale, Senior Crisis Manager. Dare say she'll be seeking new challenges.
Des plans. Les plans du QG
She
de
was
Webb, des
planning a
photos de
heist.
surveillance de l'entrée de la perche, du plan du bâtiment, le circuit de patrouille des agents. Mhm. Un jouet de bureau. Ok. Et donc là, on peut passer par là.
Bond, you hit a snag.
I'm working as fast as I can.
Sauf que c'est pas assez. Photo de chien. Un adorable bouvier bernois du nom d'Humphrey. Juste une photo
Use
quelconque.
it.
Hop, on va aller voir à l'autre bureau. Celui-ci. Contrat de travail. Contrat de travail Web Industrie au nom d'Isola Veil, responsable de la gestion de crise. Rapport de police du
That's rough.
Empire sur la mort de Lydia
Damien Webb's
Florence Webb,
office.
la mère de
I was
Damien,
expecting a layer
en
of
2004,
bones.
cause de la mort, suicide par ingestion dentalgique. Visiblement, ce rapport a été feuilleté à maintes reprises. Mhm. Groupe de
Damien
mercenaires.
and the Murtos go a long way back.
Une photo de Damien avec son ancien frère d'armes Riptide, ainsi que les frères Murtaugh. Une troupe de mercenaires ayant œuvré dans les coins les plus dangereux du monde. Au dos, il est écrit Yémen 2018. Un récépissé de Saxon Nordic, une entreprise biomédicale norvégienne, pour une sorte de produit chimique, on dirait un médicament expérimental très coûteux.
As long as
Croquis
you
de
can look
masque.
yourself in the mirror.
Une version améliorée du masque de guerrier de Damien. Ah, est-ce qu'on va le voir avec son masque du coup?
He's a stark raving lunatic, but he does have gorgeous hair.
Une collection de produits de cosmétiques. C'est l'information sur le robot qu'on a déjà vu.
The perch gate is right through here.
Par contre, j'aurais dû désactiver la... Je pense que c'est dans le premier bureau qu'on peut faire ça. Ce qu'il a dit en plus, utilise ta montre. J'ai regardé comme ça, mais j'ai pas vu. Mais je pense... que si je sors... Ouais, je peux désactiver là.
Ah, well played.
How did we ever live without a Q-Watch?
Donc là, on a ouvert ici. Ah, je demande l'aide d'un robot.
Coast is clear.
But the sea is treacherous.
And why would you say a thing like that?
This was the easy bit. Now we need a way into the purge.
Or maybe it's open.
Well, the gate is right upstairs. Let's find out.
Well, lockpicking's out of the question.
Hermetically sealed and blast resistant by the look of it. We need clearance or we're not getting through. I do love a good I told you so.
I never would have thought.
How about Webb's penthouse? Should be right upstairs.
Works for me. What happened tonight? Did they come to your home?
Worse, they came to my pub. A game was on the telly and I noticed these lads. They were in club colours, but they never once glanced at the game.
Amateurs.
Well, I slipped out the window in the men's room only to find the actual kill team waiting in the alleyway. And there's the lesson. Never overestimate yourself. Got a bit hairy after that. If the sling hadn't thrown them, I might have actually needed your help.
Yeah, don't mention it.
Oh, you want smoke up your arse, Bond? Join the Americans.
Un buste commémoratif de Malcolm Webb. Ok, il y a quoi là-dedans? Des piles. Des piles. Là, c'est verrouillé. Là, on peut pas prendre. Oui, 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 j'arrive. J'étais en train de fouiller. Ah, c'est ouvert là. Discours imprimé. Bon, bienvenue à tous. Ce soir, nous célébrons l'histoire de Webb Industries, mais plutôt que nous congratuler, je préfère regarder vers l'avenir. Depuis plus d'un siècle, Webb Industries a œuvré pour un avenir meilleur et plus sûr. Grâce à notre précision et à notre perfection, nous avons continué de réduire les risques et de minimiser les dégâts. Aujourd'hui, je veux que nous allions encore plus loin. Je crois que la technologie a le pouvoir de nous élever au-dessus du brouillard chaotique de nos cerveaux intelligents et de nous mener vers un avenir plus radieux et plus éclairé. Un avenir affranchi des limites de l'homme et protégé de ses erreurs. Je me suis engagé à ce que nous nous rapprochions chaque jour un peu plus de cet avenir. Bond.
Bond?
Greenway?
Seems like we're not the only gatecrashers. Breathing. But come morning, he'd wish he wasn't.
Does he have a key card?
No, they took it. But look, there's a dozer on the other side.
So all we need to get through the door is... get through the door. Leave it to me.
Déverrouiller la porte depuis l'autre côté. Comment je passe de l'autre côté? Comment je passe de l'autre côté, moi?
Bond, over here. I found the way through.
Be right there. Hard to reach.
Yeah. Should have asked Q for a grapple gun.
You thinking what I'm thinking?
Yes. At least those pills have kicked in.
Ah,
Over here. Give me a hand.
Sure thing. That's Sir Nicholas's penthouse.
Very 20th century magnate.
All he needs now is a top hat and monocle.
You think they allow top hats and monocles in prison?
Type of prison he's going to? I'd say he's pretty much mandatory.
Petite corniche.
Bond, get the key card. Hurry up.
Je me dépêche, je me dépêche.
You may enter.
You're very kind.
You
Bon,
didn't
maintenant
seem
on a
too
une carte
surprised
d'accès, du
about
coup
the
ce sera plus
bodies.
facile.
Something you're not telling me, Bond?
I suspect we'll know soon enough. Another perch door, also sealed.
The lobby's on the right. Almost there.
Oh la vache! Il y a des cadavres là-bas. Un canon! Schrödinger.
Quite the breadcrumb trail.
Not exactly subtle. She a friend of yours?
How do you know it's a her?
Well, I do now.
Chez de Coulombe. Ça va être l'agent spécial de la DGSE, je pense. Partout où on est, elle est là aussi.
We should really stop meeting like this.
You blew my cover. I had to advance my schedule.
I admire your commitment.
You're only as good as your last job.
Give me one reason why we shouldn't feed you to security.
Ah mais je comprends mieux pourquoi on avait des trucs
There's only
d'Isola.
two of you, and second,
Je me disais bien que c'était son prénom.
I can get you into the purge.
Pass. Once bitten.
What's the play?
Spend my time on the cover working out a loophole in security, but I'm not gonna lie, it's a bit involved. I could use a helping hand. Or three.
Go on.
Time is of the essence. James, get up to the penthouse. Old-timer with me. I'll explain on the way. First things first, James, you'll need to raise the stairs to the penthouse. There's an access panel near the base. It may be offline.
I'll figure it out. So, you mentioned a plan.
Accessing the perch requires a level 5 security clearance, which I don't have, but I can trigger a system reboot, which will temporarily unlock the gates.
And what do I do?
Go to the CCTV room on 29th, kill the feeds, clear us a path. I will infiltrate the mainframe and trigger the procedure. But I need the command code which Sir Nicholas keeps in a safe in his office. That's you, James.
Should have brought my drill bits. And exactly how are you planning to be in 3 places at once?
What can I say? I work well under pressure.
Comment on va rétablir le courant? Note aux agents d'entretien. Rebrancher l'installation une fois le ménage terminé. Notre PDG a mieux à faire que de tripoter les fusibles. Merci d'avance, Mitchell.
Foreign devices detected. Disabling Q-tech.
Oh, c'est stylé.
Swanky. Place could use a rug.
Immense
That
le
note you
truc.
passed me. Your phone number?
You wish. Sir Nicholas forgets his passwords like everyone else. He wrote a memory aid to recover the safe code. Wasn't exactly easy to come by.
Well, nothing about you is easy.
Du coup, la note d'Isola, il est écrit diplôme, peinture, jeu et maquette.
Should have stuck to game development.
Jeu vidéo 9.
Slovakia. I believe an explanation is due.
I wasn't lying. Well, I was mostly lying,
Maquette.
just not about 009. I heard about his mystery file from Damien. No clue what was in it, but
Une maquette des
had
bureaux
Sir
de web
Nicholas
industrie à Hong Kong, le site
I figured
3.
I could use it
Donc
for
ce serait
blackmail.
9.3.
Sadly,
Euh,
Damien
9.3 à la
thugs beat me to
fin.
it.
Damien confided in you.
His office was adjacent to mine. Thin walls.
Yeah, definitely a cat person. Well, Damien needs a bloody warehouse to store his skeletons.
Dossier non officiel du MI6 sur Damien Webb. Le texte est raturé, mais Damien aurait commis des crimes de guerre en tant que contractuel militaire privé. En 2018, lui et une bande de mercenaires ont été arrêtés durant un coup d'État avorté en Afrique centrale orchestré par une compagnie minière néerlandaise.
Almost at the mainframe.
Sir Nicolas a dû tirer pas mal de ficelles pour camoufler les agissements de son fils et éviter un scandale qui aurait sali son nom.
Pardon me, fellas. I have lasers coming up.
Damien's a
Profil
psycho.
psychologique.
Fancy
Une
that.
étude psychologique de Damien datant de 2012 est réalisée par la clinique Hoffmann à Zurich. Évaluation de diagnostic psychologique. Le patient présente de nombreux symptômes classiques du trouble de la personnalité antisociale, déviance, impulsivité, agressivité, imprudence, manipulation et duperie, ainsi qu'un caractère marqué par l'indifférence et l'absence d'émotion, avec un sentiment de mépris. Ce trouble a vraisemblablement été déclenché par le traumatisme du suicide de la mère du patient lorsque celui-ci était âgé de 8 ans. Le patient a un souvenir marqué de la découverte du corps sans vie de sa mère qui avait avalé une dose létale d'analgésique sur ordonnance. Il indique que sa mère se comportait de manière erratique, voire menaçante, dans les semaines ayant précédé son suicide. Elle affirmait même que son fils était un imposteur, ce qui lui supposait un cas rare de syndrome de Capgras non diagnostiqué, tout en affichant généralement un comportement antisocial. Oh, excusez, je baille. Tout en affichant généralement un comportement antisocial envers son entourage, le patient a développé une fixation sur la figure de sa mère décédée, tout en nourrissant des fantasmes obsessionnels et complotistes sur les causes de sa mort. Il a notamment expliqué que son père l'avait volontairement négligé pour déclencher sa neurasthénie, suivie de sa dépression nerveuse, ses fantasmes, quoique sans fondement, n'ont fait qu'éloigner davantage le patient de sa famille. Plan de traitement, psychothérapie à long terme pour gérer le trauma sous-jacent combiné à un traitement médicamenteux pour traiter les symptômes comme la dépression ou l'anxiété. Oui, bon, il est un peu ravagé, quoi, le monsieur.
Webb has a heart
Rapport
condition.
médical rédigé par le médecin privé de Webb. Sir Nicolas souffre d'un trouble cardiaque. Il porte un bracelet connecté mesurant sa pression sanguine et prend une dose quotidienne d'inhibiteurs de l'ECA.
Day of
Photo.
inauguration. Big day.
Photo encadrée de l'inauguration de Theia version 2. Sir Nicolas est en train de serrer la main du ministre des Affaires étrangères, investigateur de la privatisation du RDEM et par là même fossoyeur du programme 00. Un badge.
Blades.
Badge de membre
Guess
du
Webb and
Blades,
Neutral
le
were coughing up the
club
membership
privé
fee.
le plus exclusif de Londres, voire du monde. Il appartient à Sir Nicolas Webb.
Rocco's basilisk.
Le
Every techno
tableau,
futurist's
une
worst
superbe
nightmare.
illustration de la célèbre expérience d'IA cognitive connue sous le nom de Basilique de Rocco. L'œuvre semble avoir été générée par l'IA de Web Industries. Il est écrit Basilique version 4. Donc la peinture, donc c'est 493 à la fin. Il nous manque une Mac. Qu'est-ce qu'on a en premier? Un diplôme. Là.
First in class. Nobody likes an overachiever.
Un cadre représentant un diplôme de mathématiques du King's College de Londres, Sir Nicolas était premier de sa classe devant 2 prix Nobel. Donc 1, 4, 9, 3, je dirais.
Okay. Electronic lock, 4-digit code. Better check the note. Sir Nicholas, I couldn't have done it without you.
Got the safe open.
Look for an 8-letter word or number sequence.
Got it. The command code is Basilisk.
You make a fine sidekick, James. Now cover your tracks and get ready to move. I'm activating the security override.
Effacez vos traces. J'imagine qu'on referme le...
Gather the team. You're leaving tonight.
Seriously? Right now? I'll see you off.
Just need something from my desk.
Webb and Damien just walked in.
Careful, James. Damien will kill you as soon as look at you. Stay hidden and don't try anything.
This operation is critical. Like it or not, we're in the spotlight now. Pull one thread and it all unravels.
Bond, try to get closer. I'll use the feed from your mic to try and record what they're saying. Maybe we'll get lucky. Stay hidden, move closer. Bit of an oxymoron.
And what about our tenacious friend?
This may be hard for someone
Bond,
like you to comprehend.
you're still too far off. Move
Ah,
closer.
je le suive.
He is tenacious, but he is one man. He's not what I fear.
And what does the great Sir Nicholas Webb fear? Please, enlighten me.
Please, Damien. We've no room for mistakes. Go to Vietnam and make it clean this time. Can you handle that?
Yes, I get it.
Vietnam. Clean as a whistle.
Hang on. It's time for my meds.
What are those?
ACE inhibitors for lowering my blood pressure.
You, the epitome of calm.
Still waters run deep. Your colleague, the one who perished. I take it you were close.
We thought alike.
My condolences.
His brother's not taking it well. This will get ugly.
I would expect so. Human nature is nothing if not predictable.
They're gone. You get all that? No, it's too vague. We can't use it. And now you only have 4 minutes. You'll never make it.
Yes, you will. I'll guide you.
Straight off a cliff, probably.
Just shut up and go. Now.
I'm locked in.
Hold on. There's supposed to be an escape passage. Look for a hidden switch. Somewhere on Webb's desk.
Alors, un interrupteur caché encore.
Found it. I'm out. Where to?
In the security office, take the door on your right.
Also locked.
Okay. Look for a vent. According to schematics, it'll lead back to the exec floor.
On it.
You need to reach the bridge to the purge. If you're not across it when the timer runs out, you'll be stranded.
Thanks. I get the picture. I'm back on the exec floor. What now?
Head out. You'll have a clear view of the gate.
Just
Ah, j'ai pas le temps, monsieur. Voilà. Joyou.
Of course it is.
There's an elevator at the end of the hallway. Hurry, James.
Path is crawling with security.
Excuse me, coming through.
More security. Should have taken the shortcut.
No use crying about it now. Just get to the elevator. You can ride it all the way to the bridge.
Fonce tout droit, hein.
Who's there?
At the lift.
None of no momentous. Get on.
Lift arriving. Stand by, please.
Easy for you to say.
We're gonna butter you.
Oh non!
Three minutes.
Path is crawling with security.
Get the door on your right and make a run for it.
Prenez la porte à droite. J'avais pas entendu.
Door it is.
Go through the vent, then take the door on the left.
Elle est où? Il est où le conduit? Ah là. Y'a rien que je peux déplacer là? Ok. J'ai perdu un peu de temps.
Made it.
Don't stop now. Continue down the hall. Left.
Sorry. All the time I've gone. It's stuffy in here. Much better.
Puis après, je suis où?
I'm through.
The elevator's down the hall to your right. You can ride it all the way to the bridge.
At the lift.
No momentous. Get on.
You'll suffer for that.
Lift arriving. Stand by, please.
Easy for you to say.
James, 1 minute.
Going up. Almost at the bridge.
Ok. Pourquoi on n'a pas gardé notre carte d'accès qu'on avait trouvée là?
Come on. Give a man a break.
Voilà. Il reste plus que 20 secondes.
James, they suspect something. The bridge is starting to retract. You have 30 seconds.
Just what I need.
James, above you. Grab the zip line.